Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. Now it's that time of the year where a lot of us are going away. We're very busy shopping, right? Guys, it's also the time that burglars take advantage of the season. Now's the time to get yourself a fisheye camera that is super easy to install in your home just to keep an eye on things during this time or any time of the year, just to keep a watchful eye on your loved ones or your possessions. We're going to review one of the best ones in the market right after this. Okay, let's get right into it. Now, first thing you'll notice is that it's quite small, but that's great because it remains inconspicuous, right? Next, it has a magnetic bottom, which means you can move this thing around and you can adjust it in your home and it will stick on metallic surfaces. Now, the great thing about this little camera is that it has digital zoom tracking, and that means that it will actually zoom in and follow any movement. This is important, especially when considering elderly people perhaps falling. It has a fall detector. Great safety mechanism. Something I also like is the quality of the image, because you get cameras and you can barely see what's going on in them. This is a 5 megapixel full HD 180 degree view. You're not going to need more than 180 degree view just to see what's going on in that room. Another great feature is the two-way talk function. So if you see that your loved one has fallen in the room, you're able to communicate with them and say, "Are you okay? Do I need to send some help?" Listen in and find out what the situation is. Something I love about the SpotCam cameras is that they're easy to set up. You can operate them with the app. So you can have multiple cameras. I have one on my front of my door, and this one will go in our living room. It's completely compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Conrad Connect. And just like every other SpotCam camera, it comes with a range of extra subscriptions. So with this camera, you'll receive free real-time video anywhere, motion and audio detection. You receive event alerts by email or mobile app, and you can share live video or snapshots with other people, and you get free 1-day recording. Now, if you're wanting something a little more, perhaps 3-day recording, 7-day recording, 30-day recording, these are all extra subscriptions. Also, missing object, human detection, virtual fence, baby crying detection, vehicle detection, pet detection, fall detection, face recognition. These are all wonderful extras at a very low cost. I just love all the features packed into a little camera like this. So there you have it, guys. Another perfect safety tool for you and your family. Now, to find out more about this, go check out the link below. There's some great deals being offered right now. And to see the other review, perfect for front doors of your house, go check out this video over here.